This Memorial Day sale, we are super excited about launching the new Young Nails nail art pens. Check out how easy these designs can be. I built these nails out and I want to be able to show you the precision of these graffiti art pens, right? So I'm going to be using black, and you're going to notice that I'm going to be able to really come in with some real crazy precision. You see how really easy it is, right, for me to be able to establish a nice K in Old English. I want to be able to show you that if it's not writing, what you want to be able to do is shake the brush, right? And then, as you can see, you want to be able to push this, and what this is going to do is it loads the tip, right, with enough ink, right? And then you can see once it loads up, I'll be able to draw, right? I'm just loading up the tip so that I'm actually able to draw without the ink running out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to use pink first. Right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of fill in the space. All right, let's go ahead and take of black, trace around the edge. Right, so again, the nice part about this is if there's an area that's slightly off, you could always use, right, just a little bit of maybe just acetone, just to lightly clean that area up. All right, so what we want to be able to do is let's add, right, some flames. So I'm going to take red, and then again, to add level of detail, I'll always wait until everything is completely dry, but what you want to be able to do on the outside is just lightly chase those edges. And then this is just going to accentuate it to make it nice. Well, all right, let's go ahead and put our final touches on it. Last but not least, if you want to go ahead and just write in words, you can do that as well. Once the design is done and fully dry, we're going to get some finished gel over the top and get it inside the light for a minimum of 1 minute. These are just some of the basic ideas that you're going to be able to accomplish with the new art pens. Excited to see what you guys are going to perform.
Subscribe to the channel.